Hey YouTube, it's pikachu87. Just got another pack from Walmart. This has got a Pikachu promo in here with a coin, 2 packs of Heart Gold, Soul Silver, and 1 pack of Legends Awaken. So we're going to open them up. Oldest to newest. Let's see if we can get this going here. Oh man, making a mess of this one, guys. Oh, they're stuck in there, huh? Just edit that part out in the video. Okay, so this is my coin that I got. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it or not. It's pretty cool, yeah. Start collecting those too, I guess. And then we have the Pikachu foil promo there. You can't really see it much. Sorry guys, the camera's not working too great today. Alright, we'll go with Legends Awaken first. There it is. Let's see. Oh man, these things are making a fool out of me. Oh jeez. It's been too long, I guess. Let's see if we can do this here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have a Gulpin, a Chinchu, Riolu, Oddish, Poochyena, Luxio, Unknown, Lucario, an Unknown Reverse, and a Ditto. Okay, that's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright. Go with first pack of Heart Gold, Soul Silver that I've opened. Been waiting for this one, you guys. Oh man, those are just wonderful to open. So easy. Okay, let's see if they do it the same way still. Okay, we have Jinx, Execute, Drowsy. Oh, sorry. Let's see here. Get that camera rolling right. Paris, Sandshrew, Skiploom, Switch Trainer, Full Heal Trainer. Oh, Igglybuff Reverse, awesome. And a Smoochum, great. Okay, awesome guys, that's pretty good. Alright, and now for my last pack of Heart Gold, Soul Silver. For tonight anyway, okay. There it is. Oh, I'm gonna have to get some more. These are just too fun to open, man, I'm telling you. 3, and start out with a Wooper, Growlithe, Leaf Energy. Okay, if you watch my other video, you know I already got one of those. Slowpoke, Totodile, Igglybuff, cool, Parasect, Pokemon Collector Supporter. Oh wow, Meganium Reverse. I don't even know what they call that one with. Oh jeez, you guys, that's pretty awesome. And Azumarill Foil. Oh man, these are some great pulls, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna have some more coming up soon. These have been fun. Pikachu87 out.